Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters of our great nation. I am Danish from 5th Standard L section. Would like to share a few points on Indian Navy Day. The Indian Navy Day, observed on 4th December every year, this day marks the Indian Navy's bold and daring attack on the Karachi harbour during the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971.
In 17th century, the Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Shivaji was known as our father of our national navy.
This Operation Trident, as it is known as, the Indian Navy inflicted significant damage in the Pak naval fleet and destroyed key naval installations. The Indian Navy's success in this operation demonstrated its valiant spirits. The Indian Navy's sacrifice and bravery have been instrumental in ensuring the security and prosperity of our citizens.
The Indian Navy is one of the strongest forces in the world. It ensures the safety of our seas, supporting international peace and protecting people during disasters. It protects our important trade routes and keeps our economy safe.
When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day, we honor those brave men and women who serve in the Navy, risking their lives to save our nation. We remember the sacrifice of those who lost their lives in the line of duty. The Indian Navy plays a vital part in maintaining the sovereignty of our nation, from patrolling our coastlines to participating in international maritime operations. The Indian Navy's contributions are invaluable. As we move forward, the Indian Navy modernizes and expands its capabilities. With the introduction of new ships, aircrafts and submarines, the Indian Navy is ready to face the challenges of the 21st century.
We want to salute and honor who protecting our life in the Navy.
The Indian Navy Day is a celebration of the determination, sacrifice and bravery of our naval personnel. Let's take a moment to appreciate the commitment and dedication of our brave men and women who serve in the Navy. We are proud of our Indian Navy. Let's celebrate the Indian Navy Day with a lot of happiness. Jai Hind!